is my GitHub repository. The next thing we want to do now is to document our project. Now for us to document our project, go to this plus icon at the top right. Now you see new, create new repository. Now these are the repository that I've created. So the repository is just like a document that contains all the information about the project that I've currently worked on. So we want to now document our project. So I go to create new repository, Now it says create new repository. Now in this repository name, this is where you put in the name of your repository. So it's attendance insights analysis using Power BI. Okay, so this is what I want the name to be. Then the description, you can put whatever I want to put and the description. So it's optional, but we'll come back to it later. For now it's optional. Let's leave it at that. And then in the public, please, if you want to share to the public for everybody to see, you leave that public. But if you don't want to, you leave that private. Then I will click on this add a readme file. So a readme file enables us to now, that's where we're actually going to carry out the documentation. Okay, so don't change any of that thing. Then you go to create repository. So we've successfully created a repository, and the name is attendance insight analysis using Power BI. Now let's say we want to change the name that we gave this repo. We can come to settings